美国联准会初7宣布降息1码，联准会主席指出，通货膨胀已经降到2%的目标。选举的结果伫咧短期内未对利率造成影响。
川普选调搁转来白宫，和华府的政坛有正大的无确定性。不过，美国联准会初7又按宣布维持今年降息的方向，伫9月中降2码了后，搁降1码。
In the near term, the election will have no effects on our policy decisions. This further recalibration of our policy stance will help maintain the strength of the economy and the labor market, and will continue to enable further progress on inflation as we move toward a more neutral stance over time.
美国劳工部顶个月公布9月消费者物价指数 CPI， 甲去年同期比年增加2.4%，比8月2.5%小可较降，是2021年2月以来上大年增幅。鲍尔讲，联准会调降利率的部分原因是为了要带动就业市场。市场认为，联准会可能伫咧2025年顶半年进行2遍降息1码。降利率降到3.75%到4%之间。英国央行伫咧联准会宣布降息进前，也决定降息1码。
The Bank of England governor said that the interest rates would continue gradually to come down. That's welcome news for families and business owners who have been hit by the higher cost of living and higher interest rates after the damage and the chaos that the Conservatives caused to our economy.
这是英国央行今年第2遍降息，英国央行也警告，伫咧预算案增加真侪支出，再加上川普当选可能会提悬关税，造成通膨可能会增加0.5%，这敢若是伫咧讲明年初利率可能袂搁再震荡。公司新闻张伟玲、吴其昌编译。